Welcome to Swiss-type CNC. Today I'm going to show you how small precision part made by Swiss CNC machining in our factory. Before production, we are going to check our drawing, material, dimension, and color requirement. Then the correct bar stock will be prepared for our machining.
The bar stock is routed into the automatic bar feeder. The bar feeder continuously feeds the material into the Swiss CNC machine. Next, the operator installs the cutting tools and sets out the CNC program, the cutting parameters, and tool position will check before production starts. During production, the operator regularly checks the critical dimensions. This helps keep the parts consistent during batch production. After machining, the parts are deburred and cleaned. If required, sub-process treatments such as anodizing, passivation, or plating can also be arranged. Finally, the finished parts are inspected according to the drawing.
After inspection, the qualified parts are cleaned and packaged. Productive package is used to prevent schedules and damage during transportation. That's all about Swiss CNC machining production process. We support prototypes, small batches, and thermal protection for small precision parts. If you have any drawing and machining projects, please feel free to contact us.